Hello everybody! Here we have THT cylinder, Spain. The lock is simple, seemingly simple. The mushroom-shaped pins are good here, so you can use both handles. If you use a regular handle, you have to rock it up and down. Rock it up and down is necessary. I use foil 0.6 mm, foil in sheets. As usual, you need to make a mold. Don't make the strip too wide. It needs to be narrower. We make the mold on the back side as usual. And transfer it to the working part. Tighten it in one direction or another. Because the usual way, without tension, like this, will be too loose in this case. It's difficult to get through the mushrooms. Or another option, put an extended handle and then you can simply move it more forcefully, making it easier to move. For example, it doesn't move, so it's easier to give it a sharp jerk, not with force, but with a sharp movement. It can turn slightly tightly. Therefore, a handle like this might even be more convenient. The tool comes with a regular handle, like this one. Overall, the lock looks simple, but it takes a bit of time to open. I think foil is the main choice. I think 0.06 mm foil would be the best choice, but you could also try 0.5 mm. The prices for the set and for the handles you can find on our website. The link is under this video.